Hey, it's Sammy, February 12th. This is our second trade today. Now, I want to share our output, our data that we used to enter this trade. So, right after 10:30 this morning, we flipped from a negative momentum to a positive momentum very quickly on the minute and the 5-minute chart right in this area. If you notice, we already had high momentum on the 15:30 and hour chart. Our sentiment also flipped right around this same time on the minute and 5-minute chart. And we already had volatility breaks on the 30-minute and the hour chart. So we had a ton of information telling us the market is ready to pop. And boy, did it ever pop. That screen that I just previously shared with you, that's part of our end of the day trade journaling. That is the actual data that you're seeing the optimizer generate live in real time right here in these panels. You can see our momentum, our sentiment, and our volatility breaks. This is why our trades move so powerfully and efficiently. We're harnessing multiple time frames of momentum, sentiment, and volatility. I actually had a call at 11 a.m., so I had this trade lock its take profit at Thursday's closing price. However, this ran to Friday's high and beyond. So, little lesson there, don't take phone calls in the middle of trading. You'll leave a lot of money on the table, but that's all right. This was our second trade for the day, and we were already up like 1,500 pips, so no worries. You want to learn how to take these strong moves using data, just schedule a strategy session. We'll get you up and running in no time.